Hey, how's it going? Today I will show you how to get OttNavigator Live TV player to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. First of all, we'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device. Here it is, open the search bar, and then just start typing Downloader in the search bar. As you can see, here it is, already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter whole name of the app. We click on Downloader, and that's the app which we need to get to our device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. To do so, we'll go to Settings, here we are, scroll down and open My Fire TV. Here we'll have to enable developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, if you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see, now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install and on apps, and here turn that option on for Downloader. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only from official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now let's go to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, open it. And there's the Downloader app, which we just got to our Firestick. However, before actually using the Downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast, we got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to France right now, and from the moment we connect, all our internet traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you wish to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you'd like to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your computer or your mobile phone, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and this way you will also get 3 months of NordVPN for free. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we open up the Downloader application. On the left side menu, make sure to click on Home. That's important. And then here you'll see such a search bar in which you'll need to enter a code, which is going to be 2, 8, 9, 0, and 7. So once again, the code is 28907, and then you have to click on Go, and just in a couple of seconds, a website is going to open up for you. And now when the website has opened for us, we just need to scroll down a bit until we see that list of categories. And from the list of categories, we have to click on IPTV players. So click on it. Then a list of apps is going to open up for you, which you have to scroll down, and here you'll see the OttNavigator IPTV player. So that's exactly what we're looking for. Let's click on it. Then probably some kind of ad is going to open up for you. In that case, make sure to click on Close or on X, depending on what kind of ad you see. Because if you click on Open, it's going to mess everything up for you. So just click on Close. Now a new web page has opened for us, which we also have to scroll down. Keep scrolling until we see those download buttons. So here's the button for Fire Sticks or Android TVs. However, if for some reason that download button does not work, you can always use the backup download link, which is just below the usual download button. So now we just click on that huge download button and wait until the app gets downloaded to our device. Then just click on Install and wait until you install the OttNavigator to your Fire Stick. That should take a couple of seconds. After that, do not click on Open yet. Instead, press on Done, because this way we'll be able to delete the installation files as we don't really need them anymore. So click on Done, delete and delete. After that, finally, let's go to the list of apps on our device. Here it is, open it. Then scroll down and there at the bottom you'll find the OttNavigator, which we just installed to our Firestick. So now I recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way OttNavigator is always going to be at the very top of your application list and it's going to be really easy for you to access the app every time you need it. So click on that button and as you can see, OttNavigator appeared at the very top of our app list. But of course, don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online, and you can use my link in the pinned comment below or just go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months for free. After that, just open the OttNavigator app. And from here, you have to add a playlist to your live TV provider. So if you have an M3U link, you just click on playlist, add the link here in that URL address bar, click on apply, then click on apply once again, and the playlist is going to appear in your application. It's also possible to use extreme codes here. To do so, you need to click on the generic middleware server, click on it, go to extreme codes, and here at the very top you add a link, then the login and password to your service. As always, you get all those details from your live TV provider. There are thousands of different live TV providers in the world, so it's totally up to you which one to choose. Of course, as always, we only recommend using the official ones. And pretty much that's it. That's the easy way to get OttNavigator app to your Firestick. Hit the like button if the video was helpful and see you next time. Bye bye.